Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over part 2 in the free Amazon FBA YouTube course. And today's video is going to be about how to create your LLC. Do you need one? No, but if you do want one, here's how you can get one. Cool, so let's just jump right into it. Right down here, I do have an affiliate link for this. I always have. It was one of the first things I ever made an affiliate link for because I genuinely like InkFile better than what was the other one, LegalZoom or something. This one is so much cheaper. I really like this one. LLC is what you're going to create. So if you're on my video and you click on the link, it would normally you would see less you wouldn't see the whole description. But you click right down here and you go into make your LLC. So it's going to be that link, inkfile.com. If you land on this page, you are in the right spot. Then we're going to come over here and select the state of formation and go to Washington. And get started. So you can create an LLC for your company, and it's going to be a separate entity so that you're selling under a business account with a business bank account. Part of this will be opening a bank account after you do this. That way you'll have your own card. So come the end of the year, it's really easy to see all your business expenses, because if you were smart, you'll only use that business card for business expenses. And then there's all your expenses for the year right on that business. So it's really easy to separate. So the one that we're going to be going with is actually this one, silver right here. So the state fee is actually $200 for Washington. That'll be different depending on where you live. New York is really high. California is pretty high. Some other states are pretty low. So what are these different packages? Now don't worry, I'm going to explain this to you. Basically, they're all upsells. Just get the silver one. There we go. It's actually free. See, silver package, free. Literally, this is just what you would pay if you did this on your own with your state. You went to get the paperwork and did it. It would cost that much. So this is free so far. So let's do this here. Paul Swanson. Email Swandog. I didn't spell that right. Swandog Business 101 at gmail.com. Phone number 860-919-9493. Street address. I actually pulled up an address we can use here. This is a fulfillment center for Amazon. What did I just say? Fulfillment center? That's not right. Okay, very good. Seattle. I pulled up a real address because I think it won't work unless you actually use a real address. It like fact checks it, essentially. Cool. Paul Swanson, Swandog Business. Okay, so what they're asking you here is if you want to expedite it. It's not wildly apparent at first, but that's what it is. So you can click here. When I made mine, I did this one. I didn't expedite it. It still came within a week, so it's really good. We'll hit next. All right, LLC name. Swanson Dog and Son. Swanson Dog and Sons LLC. Why am I being so silly today? Okay, e-commerce business. Number of members is only one, single member. Business purpose. Sell products on Amazon. And now guys, I'm kind of goofing off here. I'm not making this company, but you're going to put your real name in. Don't spend 3 weeks trying to come up with a name. The name of your LLC, I don't know, man. Gotta be creative. I have an incoming call. I cannot answer that. That's one of my most successful students, actually. I'm sorry, buddy. Cool. So we're going to come down here. By the way, at any point in this course is designed so that you don't need to hire anyone or buy a course. But if you did need help, I do have coaching, and I'll be available in the description. Cool. So company address information. We do not need that. Stop, please. Use my own address. We don't need to pay for that. We'll just use that right there. Okay, one sec. All right, we're back. I took care of that. I just had to hire a hitman, and it seems that the call has stopped. Can't have people interrupting the video, you know what I'm saying? So, we're here. What this is asking you to do is just the next page here. So you want to upgrade to the premium package. I actually did do this, partially probably because when I started I didn't know how to do any of these things, and I was a little bit ignorant. I didn't know what this was, so I was just like, I probably need those things. You can get this for free. I will show you how to do that right now. IRS, apply for an employee identification number. Bang, do that. And then you click on that and you're gonna do apply online now. And the next one is gonna ask you what kind of company you are, begin application, and you're an LLC. So you could see, I don't need to go through that whole thing. That's how you would do that for free. And then banking resolution, you just need an EIN. You can go to any bank and start a business bank account. Express shipping, I'm gonna say no thanks. We'll pass on this one. Paul Swanson, bang, we'll use that address. We're gonna do an individual, then we're gonna hit next. So you could actually do this. This I think I would do. You assign a registered agent and they give you one for free for a year, which is really good. So you could do that and hit next. And all that is, it's essentially a person that forwards your information and things that are, you know, like say if someone was trying to sue you, they're gonna let you know, hey, someone's trying to sue you. No, I don't need InkFile to obtain my EIN. I just showed you how to do that for free. You could have Bank of America contact you if you want. We're gonna say no to that. So a lot of this stuff is just upsells. You don't have to do most of this. And then electronic delivery. So this is literally free. I hope you guys know that. Don't need a tax consultation call. We're good. So they're gonna keep trying to get you to do this stuff. We've identified 2 licenses for your e-commerce online retail business. It's probably resellers and a business license. You could just get those on your own. Again, you can get those for probably 20 bucks. You don't need to pay $100 for those. So just look up what licenses you need. And then there we go. So the next step is just payment information. So I own 100% of the business, Paul Swanson, Swanson Dog and Sons. And that's it, guys. So the next thing, this is all billing information here. So we're going to select our billing information, and then you can see we're 95% done. The next screen, we would hit complete and pay, and we're done. So that's it. They're going to send you, if you asked for the upgraded kit, they send you a nice binder, which I have right here. So this side, it comes, you know, there's this nice little binder. It's got like gold rings on it. Looks pretty cool. That has, you know, I got the upgraded kit, so that's all my EIN paperwork and all that fancy schmancy stuff. Cool, that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this individual lesson. I guess we could call it module. It's just a YouTube video, but we're kind of making this like a course. So yesterday we went over what the business is, and today for those of you who want to create an LLC, I figured it'd be fun to go through and show you all the steps of the way. It sounds intimidating, but it's not. So maybe we swayed your mind. If you are going to make one anyway, I'd appreciate if you use my link, because I get a little bit back for making all the free content from that. So if you're going to do it anyway, there's no pressure, but I'd appreciate it. So hopefully you guys liked. If you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow in the next module of the course. Later.